All right, so we're at Garrett's house. We're finna start pulling my headliner out to do stars. So finna start pulling all the interior trim pieces and everything out to get this headliner out, and then take it inside and start working on doing the stars. But this is the start of the video. All right, so we're gonna pull this piece, this out, that out, that out, that out, that out, that out, this out, that out, that out, and then pull the headliner down, see what we can work it with. So now we got all the trim pieces down, the headliner's dropped, and we're finna pull my headrest out and try and slide this thing out the side door without creasing it too bad. And if not, I'm gonna start pulling seats out. But headliner's down, everything's out, so we finna try and get this thing out real quick. All right, so I had to get my back seats out. I pulled them out. It's the easiest way I figured out. And I had to bend the headliner, dude. It was horrible. But I just got a bug in my eye. But the headliner's out. It is a mess in here, dude. Look, complete mess in here. So while I got my back seats out, I'm gonna put the amp on the wall so it's out of my way. And then I'm gonna cut my seat brackets so I can fold those down. And I'm gonna take all this wiring and stuff that's hanging down, because I didn't pull it out with the headliner. And I'm gonna zip tie it all up and with the sticky things, get it out of my way. And yeah, so I'm gonna take this headliner inside and I'm gonna hop in the pool, but the next clip y'all see is us working on this. So yeah. Oh my God, dude, screwing it up. I'm just kidding, it don't even matter, we'll never see it. All right, so we have 1,100 holes put in there. So if you see, like, we signed it both sides. But if you see like the X's, that means that we didn't want the dot there, so we moved it. So we moved the dot somewhere else. So if you see an X, but all the way up, we're gonna put them all the way under the visors too. So 1,100 dots are laid. We're gonna start poking holes and then get to laying the whatever they're called. All right, so we have poked every single hole. Or we poked 1,100 holes in this thing. We were pooped. So I gotta go out of town. So that boy Garrett gonna put some work in. So I'll update y'all with some clips. Phone's finna die. But this is what the truck looks like. There ain't no interior lights, so truck is destroyed. I'm gonna end up putting this amp on the back wall, but this is what the inside of the truck looks like right now. So I'm gonna leave it at Garrett's until we finish it, because I'm going out of town. But until then, y'all will see some clips that Garrett takes. So Garrett's gonna pick up while I'm gone. So yeah. Dude, we're at work, dude. They got these little, they got these little remote control cars. I said if you buy one, I'll buy one. And so we're both buying these. So he's buying his little. Oh, they better race him, dude. We better race him, dude. Just wait. The thing has been through it. We even had to solder it. They came bringing out the box that something's wrong with it, and he has done totaled it out. Blew the wheel off of it. All right, so your boy had some goodies come in that I'll be putting in this video. Mirror switch, new window switches, because I keep having issues with mine. An unlock button, or that's a window unlock button. I didn't get the unlock button, that sucks. New headlights. It's the front wiring harnesses for behind my headlights, because I'm having issues with mine. These are bolts. These are chrome tow hooks, as you can see. Chrome hooks. These will look a lot better than the black ones that I have. And then in this one, I got a new switch panel, because the one that I have, I'm having issues with, or I burnt one up, and then I need more room, so I ordered another one. This is a six gang panel, whatever you call it. And then I have a bed cover there in the floor, but I'll show you the bed cover when I get there. But we gotta go to Garrett's house so I can take her on my truck, finish my starlights. So yeah.
30 minutes away.
You need to? Why?
So I can shower.
Stank ass. Anywho, so I was gone. Garrett did all this. I just went through and hot glued them. So now we are pushing all these through, and then yeah. So when we're done with that, I'll pick y'all back up because we gotta go back through and glue these and then be done with them. So yeah. All right, so we got every one of them done. There's a little bit extra than 1100, but every single one's done. We got to glue this side still, like hot glue everything down on this side, but this side's already glued down. So yeah. All right, so everything's hot glued in. We're cutting them right now. So we kind of got, or Garrett's done half of it. I'm just kind of chiming in on this side. So we're gonna get the rest of this done now. Pick y'all up. Boom. All right, let's not talk about that. All right, so we got it finished and everything's cut. So we're finna throw this headliner back in and get it all put back together. So yeah. You can see him in the radio. All right, but we just put everything back in. As y'all can see, still ain't got my back seat back in or my amps and shit hooked up. Side eye, squizzle this side eye. But yeah, the stars are done. Let's put them things on. Put it on the freak mode. That freaky beer truck. Freak ass beer truck. Freak ass beer truck. Freak ass beer truck. Blue's tight. They got white. They got the actual real looking white. I'm gonna put this thing in 0.5. There we go. There's like it's too bright, so it makes them not look real, but you put it in the white look real. Garrett's stargazing right now. Dude, the blue's so tight. Stargazing, dude.
I'm gonna fall asleep. Yup.
We have a door off. I don't know where my switch at. Air out on the poles. Dude, my camera quality's buns right now. Alright, so we're gonna swap these tow hooks real quick and throw the chrome ones in. So let me go get a socket for this. Got them Johns in there. Chrome tow hooks. They look better, I think. So, yeah. Alright, gonna throw this bed cover on real quick. I'll pick y'all back up when we get done. Just threw the bed cover on there, so it looks really good. It looks better than my old one actually, because it's kind of tighter, and so it looks more flat. Pretty sure it's a little bit cheaper than my other one. I think it might not be, but it seemed like it. But I paid 140 bucks for that bed cover on eBay. But I like it. Works really good, so works better than no bed cover. So yeah. All right, so my interior's filthy, but we're gonna replace these window switches because mine are acting a fool, and the mirror switches. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Here's the old switches. Here's the new ones. I'm gonna throw this in real quick. See, I poured it out already. So new switches in there, mirror switch, both in. So throw this back together and see how it works. All right, so now I'm gonna throw all new LED headlight bulbs all the way through, fog lights and everything, turn signals, and harnesses for my headlights because I'm having issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace all that real quick. I'll pick y'all back up. All right, brand new harness in. All the bulbs are in for this side. I'm gonna throw this headlight back in, then go grab the other one. But brand new harnesses. Old one was just shot, so yeah. All right, before I film some more TikToks, I kind of cut it off. I forgot. I put all the headlights in. That one's leaking, obviously. I don't know why. All right, so I'm gonna throw this in real quick because give you a little bit more explanation. But that headlight was leaking because of the bulbs. These bulbs that I ordered, they were expensive, but they're junk because like they have like a little ring around this part that screws into the headlight that comes off instead of leaking here. And I'm not running that, so I ended up pulling them back out. I pulled both my headlights back out. They're sitting here. I'm gonna return these, put the old headlights back in for a little bit until I order new ones. But yeah, I pulled the headlights back out because they were garbage. So I'm fixing the headlight now, letting it air dry, so it'll be fixed again. So I mean, it'll be back to normal, and I'm ordering new bulbs. So yeah. Kind of forgot to film this, but I put all the bulbs and everything in the front end. Stars are all back together. I'm over here filming TikToks, but you see the stars. Things look good. It's like there's roughly a little bit more, so it's like 1,200 of them in there. So I'm out here filming. You see the little heat lightning back there, but so yeah, out here doing some filming. I just want to pick back up with y'all because I forgot to do that because I had the Montgomery video to post, and so I never ended up finishing this video. So this is the end of this video. If y'all liked it, let me know what else you want to see with the truck. Got some things coming for it, but let me know what else you want to see in the comments. Holla at me, DM me on Instagram if you need anything, if I can't get back with you on Snapchat. So yeah, appreciate it. Thank you guys.